Algebraic identities. So basically, there are three basic common algebraic identities. The first identity is a square of a sum, like a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. The second identity is square of a difference, means a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you have a minus, this 2ab should be minus, plus 2ab is plus. The third common identity of algebra is difference of squares, means a square minus b square can be split into two factors, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now let's learn these identities with the help of few examples. I'm going to apply these identities on different examples to make it more understandable. All right, so we have a question one, simplify the following expressions. So we have the first expression x plus 3 whole square. So here we have to apply the first identity, square of a sum, right? Square of a sum a plus b whole square. This identity I'm going to apply here. Okay, let me write down the question. The part A is, this is x plus 3 whole square. This I'm going to open it. Okay, so x plus 3 whole square means a plus b whole square, the first term square, plus 2 times into the first term into the second term plus the second term square. So x square is as it is. 2 times 3 is 6 with x, 3 times 3 is 9. So this is a simplified expression for the first one, right? Now let me try part B. In part B, we have 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 whole square. Square of a difference. Second identity we have to apply over here, right? Means the first term square minus 2 times the first term times the second term plus the second term square. This is minus, only the middle term is minus, right? Okay, now 2x whole square, 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is x square, minus 2 times 2 4, 4 times 3 12, 12x, 3 times 3 is 9. That is the simplified expression for part B. Okay, let me try part C, which is x plus 3 into x minus 3. Okay, so here we apply the third identity, difference of square, x plus 3 into x minus 3. When you have two factors, both are same, one with a positive sign and one with a negative sign, this means this is x square minus 3 square, and that is x square minus 3 square is 9, x square minus 9. Difference of square formula we have to apply over here, right? Okay, now for part D, again we have to do the square of sum, part E square of difference, part F difference of square. Okay, so these last three parts I'm going to give you as a practice. You have to apply the first three identities, the first, second, and the third identity on these three parts, and you can send me your answers in the comment section. Okay, now let's learn some algebraic expressions. So we have question number 2, expand and simplify the following algebraic expressions. Okay, so before we use the algebraic identities, and now we are solving the algebraic expressions. Okay, so algebraic, these are the algebraic expressions. There are three different examples. Let me start with the part A. So we need to simplify and expand as well, right? So expand means this x is expand to this bracket and this negative 3 is expand on this bracket. So x expand on x plus 4 and minus 3 we have to expand on x plus 4, right? So now we have x times x is x square, x times 4 is 4x, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, minus 3 times 4 is minus 12. Okay, now you have x square, 4 and plus 4 and minus 3 is just x and minus 12, right? This is how we expand the algebraic expression, and this is how we simplify the algebraic expression, right? Now let me practice part B. We have expand this p on the bracket and negative 5 on this bracket, right? P plus 4 and negative 5 on p plus 4. All right, right, p times p is p square, p times 4 is 4p, and minus 5p, and minus 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so this is how we expand it. These two steps are about expanding. And now let me simplify this. So we have p square, 4p minus 5p is just minus p, and negative 20. Okay, now let me practice part C as well. So 5t, expand on this bracket. So 5t times t is 5t into t plus 3 minus 3 into 5t minus 2. Now let me expand this. 5t into t, 5t square. 5t multiplied by 3. 3 times 5 is 15, and with t, 3 times 5 is 15 minus 15t. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Negative times negative positive, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now you can see positive 15t and negative 15t both are cancelled out. So the simplified expression is, 5t square plus 6. All right, so we have learned how do we simplify and how do we expand algebraic expressions and three basic algebraic identities. I solved the first three examples and gave you the last three as a practice. You can practice these questions and send me your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care.